Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the background and the lighting on these like photo backdrops on Dress to Impress. To change the background, just select this green screen, select whichever color or pattern you'd like. I'm just going to choose this color first so you guys can see the lighting. Then press the arrow. I know it doesn't show lighting anymore, but you can still change the light as you can see. Like, I'm not changing the background, this is me changing the light. And then go again to the right, and then you can add more like lighting colors to it. And then as you can see, it's changed completely, but that is pretty much it really. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.